Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see watch later videos on YouTube. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. Here's how to see your watch later videos on YouTube. Now if you're on YouTube and you tap watch later to any given video and you want to find the list of everyone, I'm going to show you how to do that. Let's hop into the YouTube app here. And for example, I'm just going to tap on this video, tap on those three dots, and hit save to watch later. Maybe you've gone through this step on multiple different videos, and now you're ready to go back and watch them. You can tap on that library at the bottom right, and then here you can see under playlist is a watch later, and it is a private playlist. Now, if you don't see it, you can always just wipe over because you might have a bunch of other playlists, but you can just tap on that watch later. I can hit that play all. I can tap on any of these different ones to be able to watch them. After I'm done watching them, I can always hit those three dots and hit remove from watch later if I no longer wanted to watch those and I'm satisfied. Maybe I watched them or decided that after the fact I necessarily didn't need to watch those and I wanted to watch something else. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share it to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.